Welcome to the new tutorial on Excel shortcut keys. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on how to do different kinds of operations by using different shortcuts and options on smart chart graphics, like the graphic that is visible to us on the screen. Okay. Now, I have a smart chart which is showing process of agriculture like plowing, which takes place with help of tractor or bullock cart. And the second one is sowing. Okay, the seeds will be used for in the process of sowing, and water will be supplied through irrigation. After completion of proper growth of crop, the harvesting will be done, and after completion of harvesting, the process. This is cyclic process, right? I have a smart dot here. Now, when I select one, now harvesting is selected. When I use the first option tab, what I can do, I can move from one element to the next element in the smart tab. One element to next element in the smart tab. I can move from one element to the next element in smart tab by using the option tab on the keyboard. Okay. When I use shift tab, when I use tab, you can clearly see that I am moving forward. When I use the shortcut shift tab, what will happen? I go back. Clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Clockwise movement will take place when I use tab. Anti-clockwise movement in the smart art graphic will take place by using shift tab. When I think about selecting all the shapes, I have to simply click on Control A. All the cells, all the objects will be selected in the smart art by using the shortcut Control A. Clockwise movement. Okay, what is the option for clockwise movement of selection of objects? Tab. If I think about anti-clockwise movement of selection of objects, shift tab. Okay. Control A for selection of all the shapes. Escape. Suppose if I select this, I want to come out of this. I have to simply click on now I am selecting this. Now I have selected this. The next option is escape. I have selected that arrow. If I simply click on escape now, the focus from present option will be removed. If particular shape is selected, by clicking on escape, we can remove focus on it. That is the use of escape shortcut key. So next one, arrow down, or we can say up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. What these arrows will do? Slightly move to the top arrow, downside towards top arrow, downside down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Little bit of movement that is needed and little bit of adjustment required for shapes. For movement in different direction, we use arrows. 4 arrows can be used for moving a particular shape in different directions. Next, if I think about entering something, now after selecting this, if I want to change the text, I have to simply click on enter. So delete our backspace. I can delete the total shape from there. Okay. These are different options we can apply on smart art.